Okay, here is what I forgot to let you know. There are two holes here, one here and one here. So that water, it just collects water. It goes down. The hole is underneath here. And when we put everything back and when we put this, the water goes inside this. So we have to make sure not to put anything in front of it, so it blocks. It shouldn't really block the water. So in that case, I'm going to just put this tape here. Not that clean. Make it smaller. So it shouldn't go under it. So this is good, and this one's same. Gonna do the same. Actually, maybe I can do it this way. Yeah. Okay, all looking good. That's it.